Have you ever been shocked by electricity before? What happened? What material did you touch when you were shocked? Was there a way to avoid being shocked?
Today, we're going to answer those questions. But for now, welcome to Science Daily.
So for today's video, we are expected to learn and understand the following. Number 1, define key terms related to insulators and conductors. Number 2, provide examples of materials that are good insulators and materials that are good conductors. So before we start, let us have some preliminary for you guys.
So to freshen up our mind and have a little glimpse of what we are going today, I have a game for you. I have some scrambled letters that are going to show in the screen, and I'll be reading some statements or pictures that correspond to the scrambled letters. Arrange the letters and identify what is the statement that corresponds for that word. I'll be giving you 5 seconds to answer. So, what we are waiting for?
Time's up. If your answer is silver, congratulations, you're right. Now, let's have another one. Time's up. That's a little harder, but if your answer is conductor, congratulations, you're right. Next. What do you think is the correct answer? If you're thinking of insulator, you are an absolute genius. Now, let's have another one. The correct answer is glass. Now, let's have another one. The correct answer is electricity.
What are the conductors? Conductors are the materials or substances which allow electricity to flow through them. They conduct electricity because they allow electrons to flow easily inside them from atom to atom. Also, conductors allow the transmission of the heat or light from one source to another. Metals, human, earth, and animals are all conductors. This is the reason we get electric shocks. Moreover, the human body is a good conductor, so it provides a resistance-free path for the current to flow from wire to body. Conductors have free electrons on each surface, which allow current to pass through easily. This is the reason why conductors are able to conduct electricity.
What are the examples of conductor? Materials such as silver is the best conductor of electricity, but it is costly, and so we don't use silver in industries and transmission of electricity. We also have copper, brass, steel, gold, and aluminum are good conductors of electricity. We use them in electric circuits and systems in the form of wires. Mercury is also excellent liquid conductor. Thus, this material find use in many instruments. We have solid and liquid conductors. How about gases? Gases are not good conductors of electricity because the atoms are quite far away. Thus, they are unable to conduct electrons.
Conductors are quite useful in many ways. They find use in many real-life applications. For example, mercury. Mercury is a common material in thermometer to check the temperature of the body. Next is aluminum. Aluminum finds its use in making foils to store food. It is also used in the production of fry pans to store heat quickly. Next is iron. Iron is a common material used in vehicle engine manufacturing to conduct heat. The plate of iron is made up of steel and to absorb heat briskly. Conductors find their use in car radiators to eradicate heat away from the engine.
Now that we know what conductors are, let us know and define what is an insulator.
What are insulators? Insulators are the materials or substances which resist or don't allow the current to flow through them. In general, they are solid in nature. Also, insulators are finding use in a variety of systems, as they do not allow the flow of heat. The property which makes insulators different from conductors is its resistivity. Wood, cloth, glass, mica, and quartz are some good examples of insulators. Also, insulators are protectors. They give protection against heat, sound, and of course, the passage of electricity. Furthermore, insulators don't have free electrons. It is the main reasons why they don't conduct electricity.
Here are some examples of insulators. Glass is the best insulator as it has the highest resistivity. Another one is plastic. Plastic is a good insulator and it finds its use in making a number of things. Also a rubber. Rubber is a common material used in making tires, fire resistance, clothes and slippers, and this is because it is a very good insulator.
We already know the application of conductors. How about insulators? As insulators disease the flow of electrons. They find worldwide application. Some of the common uses include thermal insulators. It disallows heat to move from one place to another. Hence, we use them in making thermoplastic bottles. They are also used in fireproofing ceilings and walls. Some insulators help in controlling noise level as they are good in absorbance of sound. Thus, we use them in building and conference halls to make them noise-free. Electrical insulators hinder the flow of electron or passage of current through them. So, we use them extensively in circuit boards and high voltage systems. They are also used in coating electric wire and cables.
Now that you know what insulators and conductors are, try to answer these questions. You may pause the video if you want to.
That's all for today's video. Follow us for more Science Daily.